Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you play Open Arms by SZA on guitar. We will start by learning the four main chords: a major, C sharp minor, D major, and D minor. These chords form the foundation of the entire song. Focus on cleanly fretting each chord and practicing smooth transitions between them. A steady rhythm is key, even at a slow pace, to build muscle memory for the intro. Next, let's tackle the strumming pattern. A simple yet effective pattern for open arms is down, down, up, up, down. Practice this slowly, ensuring each strum is clear. The song has a relaxed feel, so aim for a light touch rather than heavy strumming. Maintaining a consistent tempo will help you keep time with the original track and make your playing sound polished. Now let's put the chords and strumming together for the song's main sections. The verse typically follows an A, C sharp minor, D, D minor progression. The chorus uses the same four chords, but the emphasis or duration might shift slightly. Practice playing through both the verse and chorus, paying attention to where the chord changes occur. Repetition is your best friend here. To truly master open arms, remember these practice tips. Always begin at a slow tempo, gradually increasing your speed as you feel more comfortable. A metronome is an excellent tool for developing precise timing. Finally, listen to SZA's original recording frequently to internalize the song's feel, dynamics, and subtle nuances. Enjoy playing this beautiful song.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.